Like, why is there an abandoned airplane just here on the side of the road? It's crazy. I found these abandoned planes about a 30-minute drive from the city of Chiang Mai. I'll add a link to the location in the description below. This was a very random experience for me, and well, pretty cool too, so yeah, here it is. Oh my god, so take a look at this. This is the first airplane, and then on the distance there's another one. There's a full Thai Airways airplane right there. A bunch of airplane parts, and we're walking to a plane in the middle of nowhere. An abandoned helicopter. It's crazy. It's been gutted out with everything just like removed. I wonder if you can go outside. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to go. There's like a little ladder right over there, but it's moved away and I don't think it's high enough, but we'll see. I'm guessing right there is the aircraft number of the plane. Yeah, so it definitely looks like someone's staying in over here. So if that's the case, I'm not going to go inside, but that's the inside of a plane. Someone's mosquito net and bed. It's crazy. And amazing is how everything's supported. Like, take a look at that. They've just built this to support the back. And then the wings, right over there, they've built something to support the wings, and the same thing on the other side, and even like at the bottom, because the wheels have been taken off, so they've built this little wooden platform all along with like tires and such there, just supporting the entire plane all the way around. First of all, they brought it here, but then they built these little platforms to support it. It's crazy. There's definitely two airplanes, because that's the one right there, and it's called HS Tam. This one is called HS Tag. Old abandoned car, not impressive.